Okay guys, I was sitting here, I was gonna do an update for you, and I heard scratching. I was like, wow, that raccoon or that squirrel is being really loud, and I turned around and I saw this raccoon. And he looks pretty young, but he's kind of freaking me out because it's really not good to see raccoons during the daytime. They are nighttime creatures. But I heard he was out and about on campus. I did not expect to see him today. Totally took me by surprise. Hey, little guy. Shouldn't you be sleeping? I don't know. He doesn't look sick or rabid or anything, but he is a wild animal. Or she is a wild animal, so I'm going to keep my distance. Raccoons are so amazing. They are related to bears. Oh, okay. I guess he's gone now. So yeah, raccoons are really amazing. They're related to bears. And this is kind of freaky. I don't know if he's behind me, but yeah, so they stand up like bears do, and they climb things like bears do, and they have thumbs and hands, and they use their hands a lot of the way that bears do. They're not really related to cats at all, even though people tend to think they are. And yeah, that was really crazy and exciting. So there's our nature diary for the day. Random rogue raccoon. I hope you guys are having a great day, and if you're new to these videos, I hope that you will subscribe and then go outside and have a sublime day and watch out for raccoons.